Hello friends, first of all welcome to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. Friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. My today's video is very creative and it is at the same time very unique in itself, because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful, stylish and a creative design ideas of handmade, hand embroidered denim jackets, denim fabric embroidery material. And the ideas throughout this whole video, you are going to get different type of denim creative hand embroidery ideas, like on the back of your jackets, on the front side of your jackets, different type of neckline design ideas, that how you can design your denim jackets. Even these very beautiful and simple, stylish and creative designer style denim embroidery patterns could be used onto your denim shirts, and you can pair up your denim like pants or any sort of denim trousers with these very beautifully and comfortably at the same time. Different types of hand embroidery patterns have been used with a wide variety of color combination, like giving some brighter shades to moving towards some dull darker shades, and finally moving towards some light decent and elegant shades. So in other words, you can say a wide variety of design ideas, a different combination of thread colors, and a very beautiful perspective of designing your dresses through hand embroidery and specifically on denim fabric have been shown in this throughout whole video. But I have a simple request to you friends, that you have to be patient and kindly watch the video till end, so that you could get all the amazing, stylish and trendy ideas. And one more thing guys, that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel, because on my channel you can get all sort of stylish, trendy and amazing design ideas that are related to women fashion. Now friends, if we talk about the embroidery patterns, the embroidery stitches that are specifically being used in this whole entire collection of very beautiful jackets or denim fabric materials, then the embroidery stitches are very easy and they are very beginner friendly. Most common embroidery stitches are being used, like for making mini flowers, lazy daisy stitch, lazy daisy hand embroidery flowers have been used. And as you know that lazy daisy stitch is the most common and the easiest stitch to begin with for an embroidery artist or an embroidery beginner. Now if we talk about the lines, branches and different types of lining based patterns, then similarly you can go for chain stitch, and chain stitch is a very easy stitch. And if you don't know or you don't like chain stitch, then you can go for stem stitch as well in place of chain stitch. And the embroidery stitches about whom I am talking about, I have taught you in the form of very easy and step-by-step detailed tutorials. If you want to learn chain stitch, stem stitch or lazy daisy stitch, then kindly go to my channel's playlist embroidery tutorials for beginners, and there you can find all type of very easy, trendy and amazing design ideas with a very beautiful and step-by-step detailed easy way learning method tutorials of hand embroidery stitches. So I hope that my today's video is very creative and useful for you. And friends, the beauty of this collection is that if you have already some sort of denim shirts or denim jackets and you are fed up of their old style and their old design, and you want to renew them or you want to give them some sort of new or a fresh look, then this video is absolutely for you, because you can make these very beautiful and very stylish and designer style embroidery patterns of denim jackets onto your already existing in use old jackets to give them a very new, beautiful and a creative look as well. So if you want to decrease or you want to give us some more elaborative, simple or a decent look to these patterns, you can also reduce the designing or the styling patterns as per your choices as well. So on my channel you can get a wide variety of design ideas of women dress designing, like women clothing ranging from everyday, simple, casual, lightweight, comfortable outfits towards moving to highly designer style, fancy, heavy, and party wear, wedding wear, stylish gowns, frocks, full flared dresses. And the beauty of my channel and my daily based design ideas sharing is that on my channel you can get all type of different sorts of different platform based design ideas, ranging from European dress designing, western dress designing, and moving towards Asian dress designing, Indian designer, Pakistani designer style, Turkish style dresses, Arabian dresses, and much more related to women fashion. And in the world of hand art, if we talk about, then a wide variety of hand art is being shown and consecutively given very beautiful ideas on daily basis, like hand embroidery, wool embroidery, crochet design, knitting patterns, fabric painting, hand painting, mirror work, kota work, applique work, and different types of patterns of hand art. So the variety of very beautiful, creative, and stylish design ideas remains endless on my channel, and I try my best on daily basis to share extremely exquisite and eye-catchy design patterns with you. So friends, I hope that my today's efforts, my opinions, and my suggestions have give good mind of thoughts to you, and you have make up your mind that how you are going to design your dresses and how you are going to become a designer of your own by sitting at your home. So guys, I have one more simple request to you, that please kindly do make a habit of leaving comments below my videos, because your comments are the only way through which we can communicate, and I get to know that how you feel about my content and what you want me to share with you on daily basis, or some improving suggestions, or some elaborative ideas, or what you feel about my content, or what you want me to share with you, or what are your choices related to the field of fashion designing or fashion world. So I hope that you will pay attention to my requests, and you will not forget to comment, so that I could get ideas and latest updates from your views and choices. And now let's have a look of a quick recap, or a quick or shorter overview of all the designs which we have been discussing from the start of this video. A quick recap is given to give you a more abstract, a more broad, or more creative dimension, so that in a collage type or in a grid type view, you can pick up your favorite designs and make up your mind that which embroidery patterns you are going to try. So with this, allow me to leave, and stay blessed and stay focused, stay healthy, and be positive. Meet you soon back in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves, and don't forget to like and subscribe.